Hello all. Welcome to Kidopedia, the fun way of learning. Today, let's learn some facts about human body part 2. If you really get benefited by our videos, then please do like, comment, share them, and please do subscribe to our channel, so that you don't miss anything new. So, without delay, let's begin. Question 1. What is the biggest muscle in the arms? Answer is triceps, or triceps brachii. It is a large muscle on the back of the upper limb of many vertebrates. It consists of 3 parts: the medial, lateral, and long head. It is the muscle principally responsible for extension of the elbow joint, straightening of the arm. Question 2. Which is the largest muscle of the human body? Answer is gluteus maximus, buttock muscle. It is the largest and outermost of the 3 gluteal muscles and makes up a large part of the shape and appearance of each side of the hips. It is the single largest muscle in the human body. Its thick fleshy mass, in a quadrilateral shape, forms the prominence of the buttocks. The other gluteal muscles are the medius and minimus, and sometimes informally these are collectively referred to as the glutes. Question 3. Which is the smallest muscle of the human body? Answer is stapedius muscle. In the ear. The stapedius is the smallest skeletal muscle in the human body. At just over 1 mm in length, its purpose is to stabilize the smallest bone in the body, the stapes or stirrup bone of the middle ear. Question 4. Which is the strongest muscle of the human body? Answer is masseter muscle. In human anatomy, the masseter is one of the muscles of mastication. Found only in mammals, it is particularly powerful in herbivores to facilitate chewing of plant matter. The most obvious muscle of mastication is the masseter muscle, since it is the most superficial and one of the strongest. Question 5. Which is the smallest cell of the human body? Answer is cerebellar granule cells. These cells form the thick granular layer of the cerebellar cortex and are among the smallest neurons in the brain. The term granule cell is used for several unrelated types of small neurons in various parts of the brain. Question 6. Which is the biggest cell of the human body? Answer is egg cell or ovum, plural ova. It is the female reproductive cell, or gamete, in most anisogamous organisms, organisms that reproduce sexually with a larger, female gamete and a smaller, male one. The term is used when the female gamete is not capable of movement, non-motile. Question 7. What is the average length of the small intestine? Answer is 7 meters, 22 feet on average. It runs from your stomach to your large intestine. It continues the process of digestion that started in your stomach. The small intestine absorbs nutrients and water from digested food. In fact, 90% trusted source of food absorption happens in the small intestine. What's left over from this process is then passed into your large intestine. Question 8. What is the average length of the large intestine? Answer is 1.5 meters, 5 feet on average. The large intestine is much broader than the small intestine and takes a much straighter path through your belly, or abdomen. The large intestine also has a larger diameter than the small intestine. It's about 3 inches, around 7.6 centimeters, wide. The colon is the longest portion of your large intestine. The other parts, the cecum, rectum, and anus, are all much shorter, only a few inches in length at the most. Question 9. What is the normal pulse rate of the human body? Answer is 60 to 100 beats per minute, 72 beats per minute. Our pulse rate, also known as our heart rate, is the number of times our heart beats per minute. A normal resting heart rate should be between 60 to 100 beats per minute, but it can vary from minute to minute. Our age and general health can also affect our pulse rate, so it's important to remember that a normal pulse can vary from person to person. Question 10. What is the normal body temperature of a human body? Answer is 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. For a typical adult, body temperature can be anywhere from 97 degrees Fahrenheit to 99 degrees Fahrenheit. Babies and children have a little higher range, 97.9 degrees Fahrenheit to 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit. Your temperature doesn't stay the same all day, and it will vary throughout your lifetime, too. Question 11. What is the average volume of blood in a human body? Answer is 5 to 6 liters. The amount of blood circulating within an individual depends on their size and weight, but the average human adult has nearly 5 liters of circulating blood. Women tend to have a lower blood volume than men. Question 12. What is the lifespan of a RBC, red blood cell? Answer is 110 to 120 days. It is also called as erythrocytes. The human red blood cell, RBC, travels approximately 300 miles, making approximately 170,000 circuits through the heart, enduring cycles of osmotic swelling and shrinkage while traveling through the kidneys and lungs, and an equal number of deformations while passing through capillary beds. Question 13. Which organ pumps blood in the human body? Answer is heart. The human heart is one of the most important organs responsible for sustaining life. It is a muscular organ with 4 chambers and 2 pumps. The human heart functions throughout a person's lifespan and is one of the most robust and hardest working muscles in the human body. The human heart is located between the lungs in the thoracic cavity, slightly towards the left of the sternum, breastbone. Question 14. What is the number of muscles in the human body? Answer is 650 muscles. There are about 650 muscles and 187 joints in the human body. The 3 main types of muscle include skeletal, smooth and cardiac. The brain, nerves and skeletal muscles work together to cause movement. This is collectively known as the neuromuscular system. Question 15. Which body mechanism carries signals from, and to brain? Answer is nervous system. The nervous system is like a network that relays messages to parts of the body. The nervous system is made up of the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The basic workings of the nervous system depend a lot on tiny cells called neurons. The brain has billions of them, and they have many specialized jobs. Hope you liked this informative video. Next videos, the part 3 will be coming soon. To get updated videos every week, hit the subscribe button and click on the bell notification so that you don't miss any video. If you like the video, then hit the like button and share with your friends. See you in next video.